चाओ चाओ दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग? एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आज हम लोग रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं ऑन द डार्बी डेला लैंटेरना, विच इज अ डार्बी बिटवीन जेनोवा एंड सैम्पडोरिया। और आज के थ्रोबैक ट्रिप में हम जाने वाले हैं 2008-2009 सीजन में। सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द वीडियो, अगर आप नए हो मेरे चैनल में, do like the video, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel. I make content around football, cricket, and other sports, but with a certain bias towards Italian Serie A and of course my beloved club AS Roma. So without any further ado, let's hop into the time machine and go back to the year 2008-2009. Genoa and Sampdoria, yeah, the rivalry is very intense. It is a port city, one of the most important ports in trade. जो मैं डे जॉब करता हूँ शिपिंग में, जेनोवा का बहुत काम आता है मुझे. So it is a city where there's been a lot of culture, there's been a lot of history, and of course Genoa Cricket and Football Club are one of the earliest clubs that have been founded in Italy when a group of Englishmen came down to trade, and then of course started with cricket and football. Over the course of time, of course, Genoa has been, a very successful top flight club in Serie A, but uske baad mein, after their initial years, they suffered a lot of years under the radar. They got relegated and stuff like that. Sampdoria का थोड़ा अलग कहानी है. A couple of clubs, came together and merged to form Sampdoria. So तब से Genoa and Sampdoria का काफी intense rivalry है. इस साल Genoa Serie A में है, Sampdoria Serie B में है, but उनके बीच में कोपा इटालिया में मैच हुआ था and it was as usual intense. Their stadium that they share, the Stadio Luigi Ferraris, is probably one of the most English style stadiums that you can find. And Genoa का anthem आपने सुना ही रहेगा, You'll Never Walk Alone है. So there's a lot of culture, tradition, and history, like I mentioned. And before we get into reacting, on that game, let me show you how the teams lined up. And I'm sure there'll be some familiar names to you. And अगर आप वो नाम जानते हो, अगर आपने सुना है, तो definitely comment करना, वो भूलना नहीं. I'm just going to pull up the lineup in a second. Here it is. That's the Genoa lineup, by the way. Here we are. That's the Genoa lineup. So 2008-2009 में 3-1 Genoa won the derby. And of course, अगर मैं लाइनअप की बात करूं, we'll start with Genoa. Rubinho, the Brazilian goalkeeper. Matteo Ferrari, ex-Roma. Giuseppe Biava. Arjun Rampal का डॉपलगैंगर है, लाजियो में भी खेला था. Salvatore Bocchetti. Domenico Criscito, जो इटली एंड जेनिट सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग के लिए खेला. Thiago Motta तो आप जानते ही रहोगे. Current UA manager Marco Rossi. Ivan Juric, just recently fired from Roma. Of course, Diego Milito, Il Principo. Rafael Palladino, current manager of Fiorentina, and Giuseppe Scully. Sampdoria ki wait, before I go to Sampdoria, the coach is Gianpiero Gasperini. Of course, now, you must be knowing him with his association with Atalanta, but back then he was the coach of Genoa, and he had a very successful spell with the Rossoblu. Sampdoria की बात करें तो गोल में था लूका कैस्टेलाज़ी, अकार्दी, पियरी, लुकीनी, राज्जी जो मोनाको गया, हुगो कैम्पेनारो जो नापोली में बाद में खेला, फ्रांचेस्कीनी, एंजेलो पलोम्बो, समार्को, and of course Antonio Cassano, and जब पज्जीनी तो आपको पता ही रहेगा, and उनका कोच था वॉल्टर Mazzari. So this was how they lined up, and very very interesting players. अगर आप मेरे जैसे अगर आप सेरिया काफी समय से देखते आ रहे हो, बहुत सारे फेमिलियर नेम्स हैं दोनों टीम में, एंड आप बोल सकते हो कि देव स्टैम्प देयर ओन अथॉरिटी ऑन द इटालियन गेम. अगर आप इंग्लिश फुटबॉल फैन हो, स्पेनिश या जर्मन फुटबॉल फैन हो या लीगा फैन हो, शायद आपको आप इतने वाकिफ नहीं रहोगे नाम से, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू some of the names though, like Diego Milito is very well known. Of course, Gasperini as a coach, Motta, Cassano तो सब पहचानते हैं. Mazzari, अगर आप English football fan हो तो you must be knowing Walter Mazzari. So let's get into the action. Let's react to the game, and here we go. So ये थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में लोग थोड़ा brawl दिखा रहे हैं ये गेम में, before we get into the highlights. This is the winner, by the way, of the game. This is the third goal scored by Diego Milito. So let's not spoil it for you. ये वीडियो का मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन आई विल पुट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सॉरी, ये वीडियो का लिंक आई पुट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से. थोड़ा हैंग हो गया. Here we go. Kick off. You saw Gasperini and Cassano, at the start, hugging each other. Yeah, a corner which is cleared off. Chakka Mara, Luigi Ferraris, mein you can see lot of support for Genoa, who were the home team here in this. And here comes a dirty, dirty tackle. First yellow of the game. Crescito. Sampdoria fans applauding that, but I think that's Casano on the floor. Marco Rossi, very, very dynamic name. इनका captain था Genoa का. Could play in any position and played in any position for his hometown club. Sampdoria kits are very, very iconic, and Param has got a Sampdoria kit. Oof, that's another crunching tackle. Another yellow. अब देखो ये सारे जो टैकल्स है ना आज के मॉडर्न फुटबॉल में अगर ये होता था तो वो लोग ऐसा रिएक्ट करते थे ट्विटर में जाके. But yeah, I was talking about the Sampdoria kit, very iconic. Of course, Genoa's kit is also iconic. Sampdoria का थोड़ा cult following है in terms of kits. Ball over the top, and that's Ivan Juric, by the way, defending. This is Ivan Juric, who's dispossessed. Golden chance for Sampdoria, which is sailed over the bar. Cassano and Pazzini का जो combination था ना बहुत ही बढ़िया था. It was like one of the best combinations that you could find. Is such a मतलब iconic striker duo ना. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Here's Crescito. That's Milito, and that's a good save from the keeper. Look at Diego Milito. This is before he moved to Inter. He and Thiago Motta moved to Inter, and they won the historic treble. That's Palladino with that ball, and Milito with the shot. Good save by the Sam keeper, Castellazzi. .92 kmph. अच्छा graphic था shot का. That's the first goal for Genoa. It's Diego Milito. एकदम poacher वाली goal. Absolute striker's instinct. Set piece routine. And of course, Gasperini is known for his set piece ability. I mean, their Gasperini teams are extremely difficult to defend from set pieces. खैर उनका मैन टू मैन मार्किंग तो होता ही है, उनका हाई इंटेंसिटी होता है, बट उनका सेट पीसेस में भी दे आर वेरी वेरी डेंजरस. एंड गैस्प जेनोवा वाज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट, वेरी वेरी डेंजरस ऑन सेट पीसेस. तो अब देखो मिलिटो को इतना स्मार्ट उसने रन लिया, एंड इट्स क्लियरली ऑन साइड बिकॉज Mazzari had kept a man on the line. Look at the space offered. इंटेंस एक्शन. अगर आप लोग को लगता है कि सेरिया बोरिंग लीग है, स्लो लीग है, तो जस्ट ये गेम देखो. लुक एट द वे द इंटेंसिटी, एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम 2008 2009, so that's I think half time if I'm not mistaken in the game. Walter Mazzari, he had hair, nice hair, still has got good hair, but थोड़ा सफेद हो गया बेचारे का बाल. So Genoa 1-0 up at half time. And it just breaks away to Samp, who equalize. आप बोल सकते हो कि ये थोड़ा इनका गेम प्ले नहीं था, बट एक लकी डिफ्लेक्शन से द बॉल केम इनटू द पाथ ऑफ द सैम प्लेयर हु इक्वलाइज्ड. सो टिपिकली मैं कसानो एंड पज्जीनी के बारे में बात कर रहा था कि उनका जो कॉम्बिनेशन था सैम्पडोरिया में, पहले जब सैम्पडोरिया सेरिया जीती थी 1990s में, तब जियानलोका मांचिनी, of course, ex-Italy Man City manager, he and Giuseppe Vialli, Vialli, basically, Mancini and Vialli, they were very deadly as a combination. Did I say the first name wrong? Gianluca Vialli, yeah. So Roberto Mancini and Gianluca Vialli. So they had this amazing combination. और बहुत साल के बाद Cassano and Pazzini recreated that, and in this season Sampdoria ended up finishing 4th, by the way. They got into the Champions League. So very good season for them. And you can see after the equalizer, they created a few chances. Samarko missing a golden chance over there. तो आफ्टर द इक्वलाइजर दैट डेफिनेटली केम बैक इनटू द गेम एंड Cassano Pazzini का जो कॉम्बिनेशन था was very very iconic for Sam. It never really blossomed anywhere else, but यहाँ पे I think both of them had their best phase of the career. अब देखो, as the match wears on, it becomes more open. Both teams having a lot of chances. That is Giuseppe Biava, जो मैंने आपको बोला अर्जुन रामपाल का doppelganger. आप गूगल करो उसका फोटो, he looks like अर्जुन रामपाल only. Look at that ball from Cassano यार, ब्यूटीफुल बॉल, मतलब इतना ग्लाइड करके उसने बॉल डाला पज्जिनी. This typically had worked for them throughout the season, the Cassano Pazzini connection, but ये मैच में डार्बी में चला नहीं बिकॉज डार्बी है, so बिल्कुल वो हुआ नहीं. And that's a cynical foul, by the way. What a cynical foul on Diego Milito. Obviously, Darby here, no one wants to lose. Cassano trying to hold up play, and that's a crunching tackle. And आप देख सकते हो कि Cassano is still down. Eventually, yellow card मिलता है. इस गेम में एक रेड कार्ड आ रहा है, आप देखो अभी शायद एक से ज्यादा, बट एक रेड कार्ड इज कमिंग. दैट्स माटियो फरारी, एक्सीलेंट हेडर बाय मिलिटो. ये पलाडिनो है, राफेल पलाडिनो, cuts in, block. Sam clear the lines. And that's a mistake. And what a finish by Diego Milito. ये मतलब Diego Milito का एक ट्रेडमार्क फिनिश है. What a finish from Rocky Balboa, जो काफी सिल्वेस्टर सलोन जैसा लगता है फ्रॉम हिज यंगर डेज. एंड यहाँ पे लक्षण थे. ऑफ कोर्स Diego Milito scored a lot of goals in Spain also. He was playing for Real Zaragoza, and you know he came here to Italy. He came back to Italy actually. Genoa had got promoted, and then कोई एक betting scandal के कारण उनको promotion नहीं मिला था, तो then he went to Spain, and then once Genoa came back again to Serie A, that's when he returned. So Diego Milito and Genoa का काफी अच्छा romantic love story, and what a finish by him, man. That's a classy finish. It's another foul in a derby on Cassano. Look at Cassano just losing it. That's a horrible tackle. आप देखो replay में कैसा आता है, and it's a scuffle that breaks out. That's Zukanovic, जो बाद में रोमा में भी खेला, and Matteo Ferrari भी है. He's in the thick of it. This is proper Derby madness. ये Derby ऐसे ही होना चाहिए यार. आजकल Derby is ना बहुत soft हो गया है यार. Maybe I'm too old. Matteo Ferrari gets a second yellow and gets sent off, by the way. That's the first red card of the game. Typical Italian कर रहे हैं. Hi, what did I do? What did I do? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. No, no, no. जब मैं अपने बीवी के साथ झगड़ा करता हूँ, मैं भी ये सब करता हूँ. मेरी बीवी बोलते क्या कर रहा है यार तू ऐसा सब. एंड इट्स जस्ट पार्ट ऑफ वाचिंग सो मच ऑफ इटालियन फुटबॉल कि ये सारे मैनरिज्म मैं अपने रियल लाइफ में भी मैं एवेलुएट करता हूँ, स्पेशली व्हेन आई फाइट विद माय वाइफ. सो सैम कॉर्नर. That's Cassano. Once again, beautiful ball here. क्या मतलब Cassano on his day was just a treat to watch. Just that he made a lot of terrible career choices, and you know he had a poor control on his head. Otherwise, fantastic footballer on the day. Rubinho taken down. I think Rubinho played for UA also, if I'm not mistaken, later on in his career as a third keeper, if my memory serves me right. And I think this is going to be a चमाट मारा उसने. एक स्टैम्प भी लग रहा था वहां पे स्लो मोशन में. And that Thiago Motta reacting very angrily, and that's going to be a red card for him for sure. Thiago Motta. देखो, this is Derby madness. This is what it means. You just cannot lose to your rival. Referee asking for the ball back, and yep, अभी वो decision लेने वाला है. I think the standard of refereeing in this game has been pretty okay because such a heated derby, the referee has managed to control things. ठीक है, cards वार्ड्स तो उसने दिए है, brandish किया, but I don't think so there were cards unnecessarily. That's Ivan Juric. Look at that. That was Ivan Juric. and Sampdoria also have a man sent off, and Thiago Motta also goes off. So Genoa are down to 9 men, and Sampdoria are down to 10 men. Just imagine. So Genoa playing with 9 and Sampdoria playing with 10 as we end the derby. Look at Thiago Motta, young Thiago Motta. Of course, Thiago Motta and Diego Milito would go on to Jose Mourinho's Inter and win the treble. उस समय शायद मोटा को पता नहीं रहेगा कि उसका करियर इतना सक्सेसफुल होने वाला है एज अ प्लेयर. So this is the clip that was in the start, if I'm not mistaken. Sampdoria pushing up, trying to find the equalizer. मैं आपको याद दिलाऊं दोस्तों, इस वक्त स्कोर है Genoa 2, Sampdoria 1. Genoa with 9 men and Sampdoria with 10. So it's all to play for in the derby as Sampdoria try to find a way back into this game and find an equalizer, which on the night I think they deserved, because it's a very fairly evenly contested game. I think दोनों टीम के पास में अद्भुत chances थे to score. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो this game should have ended up in a draw, but here comes Samp, with committing so many players and leaving everything behind. Obviously, this is the last minute. Look at the Genoa fans. Love this camera angle. Ekdam FIFA like hai ye. And Diego Milito slots it home and wins the Derby della Lanterna. That's a Diego Milito hat trick. Gasperini and his coaches go wild in the sidelines as Genoa have the claim to the city, and they have the bashing rights, the bragging rights over their arch rival Sampdoria. And of course, this win would be celebrated long, long into the night by all the Genoa fans in attendance. What a fantastic, fantastic win for them. Diego Milito with a hat trick. आप देखते हो कि they won the ball high up the pitch, and of course Sampdoria had to commit men forward. That's Rafael Palladino who unselfishly squares it to Milito. जैसे मैंने एकदम FIFA-esque goal. Milito open net, couldn't miss from there. Hat trick for him. Really, really good goal. एक poacher's goal था, एक fantastic finish था from his left foot, and this third one he simply couldn't miss. Il Principo, the Prince बोलते हैं उसको, justifiably so. It's a fantastic win for Genoa over Samp in this iconic Derby della Lanterna from the year 2008-2009. Criscito celebrating Milito over there as well. Milito is a guy that you guarded. Ivan Juric, सोक्रातिस पापास्तोपुलिस भी है वहां पे. उसको आप आर्सेनल फैंस याद करेंगे सोक्रातिस को. Beautiful stadium, and what a game. This was very, very enjoyable for me as well. Just going back and rewatching this iconic game from Serie A has been really, really good. I hope you guys like the video. अगर आप लोग यहाँ तक आए हो तो मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ यार आप लोग का. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you've been showering. It's really been great, and content आता रहेगा. Subscribe करो channel को, and of course also subscribe to Calcio Churcha, the home for Italian football fans in India. That is it for this video. I'll be back in another video sometime soon. Until then, it's ciao ciao. Have a good one. Happy Guru Parab for all of you celebrating. See you next time, guys.